Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to pin apps and program in Taskbar on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you look for the apps or programs that you want to pin to Taskbar. So like for instance, this particular programs right here, this software here, Microsoft Word, I'm going to simply click on it and I will right click on it. Then having right click on it, it's going to give me different options right here to go to pin to Taskbar. And when you select pin to Taskbar, you are going to have it at the bottom right here. Alternatively, if you don't have the apps and the programs in your shortcut key, what you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Click on your start menu and you have it right here. Next thing you can do is you can simply scroll down right here and look for the app that you want to pin to the Taskbar. Let's, for instance, I want to add my Chrome right here into the Taskbar. What we need to do is to simply right click on the Chrome, and then we have to go to more. Then we have to click on pin to Taskbar, and we have it right here in our Taskbar. You can add as many as possible programs and apps into the Taskbar with this particular two method. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.